Hey everyone, welcome back to our latest video. Today, I'm here to help you resolve the frustrating issue of failing to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Android device. If you've ever encountered an access denied or failed to connect to network error while attempting to connect to Wi-Fi, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through the steps to fix this problem effortlessly. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let me demonstrate the issue on my device. You can see here that when I try to connect my phone to Wi-Fi, it's not working and I'm encountering an error message, but don't worry, we'll solve this together. To begin, navigate back to your device settings. Scroll down until you find the system option, then click on it. Next, locate and select Reset Phone, followed by Reset Wisconsin Fi Settings. Confirm the action by entering your Android passcode and your network settings will be reset. Now, go back and check if the problem persists. In some cases, this alone might solve the issue. However, if you're still unable to connect, it's possible that the Wi-Fi owner has blocked your device. If that's the case, you'll need to reach out to them and request to be unblocked. Now go back and check if the problem persists. In some cases, this alone might solve the issue. However, if you're still unable to connect, it's possible that the Wi-Fi owner has blocked your device. If that's the case, you'll need to reach out to them and request to be unblocked. Let me demonstrate how to check if your device is blocked and how to unblock it. Here, you can see my device listed in the block list. I'll remove it from the block list, save the changes, and now my device is unblocked. Now, let's reconnect to the Wi-Fi network and see if the issue is resolved. As you can see, my device is now successfully connected to Wi-Fi. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Wi-Fi connectivity issue on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching.